Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a realistic and fair look at the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 4a camera that everyone is calling the perfect pocket-sized filmmaking machine. But unlike others, we're not just going to hype it up. We'll talk about its best features, its real advantages, and also the disadvantages people don't want to mention. So let's begin. This is the fair review you actually need. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 brings some truly impressive upgrades. First, you get a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which means richer detail, better color accuracy, and excellent low-light performance, whether you're vlogging at night or capturing cinematic B-roll. This sensor makes a huge difference. Second, the Pocket 4 now shoots 4K up to 1.2 This is big for creators who love silky smooth slow motion or action shots. You can finally capture sports, travel, and motion scenes with pro-level clarity. Third, the stabilization is on another level. DJI's mechanical 3-axis gimbal keeps your footage insanely smooth even if you're running, biking, or shooting while walking through a crowded street. It's smoother than software stabilization and gives your footage a professional touch. Fourth, the new ActiviTrack 7.0 is incredibly accurate. You point the camera at a subject and it follows perfectly. For solo creators, this is a lifesaver. No camera operator needed. Fifth, the Pocket 4 has a larger 2-inch touchscreen, making it much easier to frame your shots, change settings, and preview your footage without squinting into a tiny display. And lastly, the battery life. It now gives over 120 minutes of 4K recording, which is excellent for travel vloggers and outdoor shooters. What makes the Pocket 4 genuinely useful is how practical it is. It literally fits in your pocket, perfect for travel. It powers on quickly, great for capturing unexpected moments. It has pro-level shooting modes like D-Log-M, HLG, and panoramas, giving creators full control. For beginners, the auto mode is fantastic. Just point and shoot. So yes, it's powerful, but also very easy to use. Now let's be honest. The Osmo Pocket 4 is not perfect. Number 1, the price. It's a pocket camera, but not pocket-friendly for everyone. Once you add accessories like the wireless mic, wide-angle lens, and tripod, the total cost goes up fast. Number 2, the sensor is good, but not as big as mirrorless cameras. So while low light is improved, it still doesn't beat full-size cameras or even some smartphones in extremely dark environments. Number 3, the touchscreen is bigger, but still small for detailed settings. People with large hands may struggle while navigating menus. Number 4, no interchangeable lenses. You're stuck with the built-in lens, which limits creativity for some filmmakers. Number 5, audio is better, but still not professional. You'll need an external mic for serious vlogs or interviews. The main disadvantages of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 are its non-removable battery, limited optical zoom and focal flexibility, and lack of weather sealing. Additionally, some users may find the small on-device screen too difficult to use and prefer a smartphone connection, while the built-in microphones are decent but can be distorted if accidentally covered. Battery and durability. Non-removable battery. The integrated battery cannot be replaced, which limits the long-term usability of the device as the battery's capacity degrades over time. No weather sealing. The Osmo Pocket 4 is not officially weather sealed, making it vulnerable to water and dust damage. A major drawback for outdoor creators. Optics and image. Limited optical zoom. The camera has a fixed focal length, meaning you cannot optically zoom in and out. While you can crop digital footage, this results in a loss of quality. Fixed focal length. The inability to zoom means you must physically move the camera to reframe shots, which can be less dynamic than using a camera with a true zoom lens. Weak low-light performance due to its small sensor. The Osmo Pocket for struggles in low light conditions and may not be suitable for shooting in dark environments. These drawbacks don't break the product, but they matter, especially if you're making a buying decision. So the question is, should you buy the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? If you're a traveler, vlogger, solo creator, filmmaker on the go, or someone who wants cinematic quality in the smallest possible camera, the Pocket 4 is an amazing choice. It's reliable, powerful, and extremely portable. But if you want interchangeable lenses, superior audio, or full professional control, then a mirrorless camera will still be better. In short, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is a tiny beast, but not a perfect one. A great choice for creators who value portability and smooth footage above everything else.